Hey guys, it's me, Thriftasticmom. If you've never watched my channel, then welcome. If you are a oldie but goodie, thank you for watching. I'm doing a grocery haul today. This grocery haul is from Walmart just because I love sharing my groceries with you guys. Y'all seem to enjoy seeing what I pick up from the grocery stores. Normally do mostly Walmart and Aldi's, sometimes Food Line. But that's the main grocery stores that I use. But this is all from Walmart. I did a grocery pickup order today. So I'm going to jump into it and show you all these wonderful items I got. Okay, we're going to start back here. I got these stacked up on a box of Sam Choice, Diet Sam Choice Colas. I ordered 4 of these, but they didn't have but one box. So that's all I got was one box of Diet Sam's Cola. So I will have to pick up some more drinks somewhere else. And under there, you can't really tell that I covered it up, but I have a big box of eggs, like the 60 count eggs. I like to buy them in that 60 count box just because I don't have to pick them up as often. They last longer, so I usually try to get the big box when I can. But up here on top of the box, I got 2 Great Value chicken broths. I ordered some more House Autry. I bought this in my last grocery order and I loved it. I've seen other people using it. I've never used it before. It's really good. My husband loved it. I made some chicken with it and it was really good. So I got the chicken flavor. They do have like seafood flavor and some other flavors you can choose from also. I picked up a bag of these fresh frozen breaded okra here. My husband loves breaded okra, so I picked up some of that for him. I got this big roll of the ground beef chuck. It's in 80/20. And I'll break that down, of course. Most of you know that already watch me. I break this down into several different meals and use it. This here is just a little thing of green onions that I ordered. Just a little small one because I'm going to try making my husband a casserole. He loves I think they call it chili rellenos. I probably ain't saying that right, y'all, because I'm just as country can be. But I've seen casseroles, chili rellenos, ever how you say it, casseroles. So I'm going to try to make a casserole, and it calls for some green onions. I got 1 English cucumber. This is a little bit of cilantro that will go in the casserole also. I got 2 cans of this Simple Suppers jambalaya fixings. You just add your meat in. That's what it looks like. I got 2 of those. Those are big cans. Those are actually 27 ounces. I got 3 baked potatoes because the recipe I'm going to use had a little bit of potatoes in it. So I got just 3 baked potatoes instead of buying a whole bag and wasting a whole bag because we don't eat a lot of potatoes. This here is just a little thing of fresh garlic that I ordered. I ain't took it out of the bag. I got 2 Great Value beef stews down here in the 20-ounce cans. I always like to have them just for a quick meal. I got 1 head of lettuce here. I picked up 4 cans of the cream of mushroom soup because I realized I was out of cream of mushroom. So I went ahead and got some of them because I'm trying to keep them stocked ahead. That way when I need one I can go in and get it and I'm not out. So picked up 4 of those. I picked up 1 green bell pepper. I got a 5 count of the vine tomatoes. I got a Great Value sweet cream butter salted. I got the Great Value original sour cream. This is just 2 big heads of broccoli. I think I'm going to put this in the oven and just try cooking it that way. And sometimes I make like broccoli and cheese. My husband don't like that as good, so I think I'm going to just try to like roast it in the oven and throw some seasonings on it and see how he likes that. I got this big box of Great Value bowl in the bag white rice. It's 6 bags, 32 ounces. I got a Great Value half and half. That is a 32 ounce half and half. I like to put that in my cold brew coffee. And I got me a box of these. I just run across them while I was looking and placing my order, and I'm like, I haven't had those in a long time, so that'd be a good little treat for breakfast. So I got these Great Value pancakes and sausage on a stick. I used to eat these some whenever my son was smaller. I would serve him these for breakfast sometimes, so I picked them up. They were about $5 a box though, but that was the Great Value. Now the brand name ones were more, so that's why I went with Great Value. Okay, down here I have got 1 pack of Bar S Classic Franks. Get 8 weenies in a pack. I got 1 pack of Johnsonville Jalapeno Cheddar Dogs. I got a pack of the Thick Cut Bologna by Oscar Mayer. Y'all, you may not know this about me, but I love a good bologna sandwich. Just mayonnaise. Sometimes I'll use a little mustard, but mostly just mayonnaise. I like a bologna sandwich. And my husband likes the thick cut, so I always get the thick cut. Bolthouse Farms Baby Carrots. I got 2 of these Great Value Naturally Applewood Smoked Bacons. 2 of those. These are 16 ounces each. Back here I picked up some more of these 4 packs of the Chef Boyardee beef raviolis. We haven't had these in a while. My husband eats way too many of these, but he's like, get some so I'll have something to snag on. But he loves them things. And we haven't had any in probably 3 weeks or more, so I went ahead and got some. I picked up 4 cans of this Margaret Holmes seasoned butter beans because I went in there and I looked at my canned goods and I wanted to kind of stock up on things that were getting low. And those were, I didn't have that many of them, so I went ahead and picked them up. I got me 2 cans of these Bumblebee whole oysters that I love. I love to make oyster stew. I really could just eat these out of the can with a cracker. But most time I'll do oyster stew with that. I got 3 packs of this Mesquite Grill Mates. I love this on pork chops. It's really good. You can put it on pretty much anything. But I like it. It's by Grill Mates. It's by Stubbs. And I got 3 packs of those. They're about $1 and something a pack. But I didn't have any. I wanted to stock up on them. I got 2 big cans of the Margaret Holmes mixed greens. These are, let's see, 27 ounce cans. I got 1 jar of the Mazzetta Golden Greek pepperoncinis in medium heat. That's a 16 ounce jar. I got 1 Great Value ketchup in the 38 ounce bottle. I went ahead and picked up 2 more of the Great Value thick and chunky salsas in mild. And up here, sitting on the back of my oven, I got a Ken's Steakhouse Greek. That's our favorite Greek dressing. And then I picked up another Duke's mayonnaise. We got more canned goods down here. I got 4 of these Great Value mushrooms. I hardly ever buy mushrooms anymore, but I love them. I love, like, scramble up a little bit of eggs, cook up a little bit of mushrooms. I love mushrooms for breakfast with sausage. So I went ahead and got me 4 cans of those. I got a bunch of green beans. I think I meant to only order 4, but I must have hit the button. It probably wasn't working right. So I ended up with 6 cans of green beans, but that's okay because my green beans were low anyway. So I'll have a whole row of green beans now. These are just by Great Value. It's just a 14.5 ounce cans. I got 2 of the Bush's Original Baked Beans. My husband don't like to eat these that much because they're kind of sweet, and he's not big on eating stuff that's sweet. Sweet tasting meats, which I'm totally opposite. I love a good sweet tasting meat, piece of meat or something. But anyway, I love to put jalapeno cheddar dogs in these baked beans, and it makes it like a kind of a little bit of a spicy beanie weenie. So good. So when he's eating something else sometime, I'll open one of these, put me a couple jalapeno cheddar dogs in it, and that's what I have for dinner. Okay, I picked up 1 thing of the Margaret Holmes seasoned green lima bean. My husband is not as crazy about these as I am. I love them, but every time I fix them, he's just like, I'm not crazy about them. So I said I wasn't gonna buy as many because I still got some in there. you know, and just keep me some on hand because I like them. So I only got that 1 can. I picked up 2 cans of Great Value pinto beans and 3 cans, or is that a pinto? Yeah, 3 cans of Great Value light red kidney beans, because I do like to make chili, and my husband's on this kick where he's eating salad with chili poured over top of it. He got it at, I think, Wendy's one time, and he loved it. He orders a taco salad and a bowl of chili, and then he pours the chili over the top of the salad. So he's like, I would love for you to make that for me sometime. So I'm probably going to end up making some chili so he can do salads and chili. There's my spaghetti I ordered, the Chef Boyardee spaghetti and meatballs. Got 2 packs of those. They're come in 4 packs, so they're cheaper to buy them in the 4 packs than buying them individually. So I got 2 of those. I got, I think, 8 peppers in here to make that chili rellenos casserole with. I'm not going to do the recipe on it because this will be my first time trying it, and I want to make sure I like it before I make it again, because if I don't like it, if he don't like it, we won't make it again. So I won't be doing a recipe to show you that unless we like it and I decide to make it again. Then I might. 2 cans of cream of celery by Great Value. I got 4 cans of cream style sweet corn. My husband loves the cream style corn. And these are just regular 14.75 ounce cans. This is some fresh corn. I ordered 4 ears, which they don't look real big, but I kind of figured I was just going to get what I get, you know. But we both will love fresh corn, so I got 4 ears of that. I got a thing of dull celery back here. And I got 2 things of this Great Value frying vegetable oil. The big bottles of that. Here's some sugar-free syrup I bought for the little pancake sausage corn dogs. And this is by Great Value. It is a 24 ounce bottle. And it's a little bit dark over in this corner. My lights, I need to get some more lights under my cabinets over here. So it's a little darker, but you can still see. Blando Frost Black Forest ham. I got 4 of these Great Value diced tomatoes with green chilies. These are not as spicy as buying the regular Rotel. So I try to get these because they're cheaper and they're not as spicy. I got some Rotel one time and I used it in the same recipe that I normally use this in, and it was twice as hot. So I try to pick this up. It ain't quite as hot. The Great Value diced tomatoes and green chilies. I got 1 little can of Great Value tomato paste. That's for that recipe. I picked up some romaine hearts. We like a little crunch in our salad, so I usually do lettuce and romaine. I got 2 things of asparagus here still in the bag. I picked up 2 of these Margaret Holmes seasoned Italian green beans. I'm not crazy about these, but my husband likes them, so I get them for him. And that's the big cans. They're 27 ounce cans. I picked up some Great Value shredded Monterey Jack cheese. And it's 2 cups worth. It's 8 ounces. And then I got a Great Value finely sharp cheddar cheese. And I had to pick up some more cheese because one of the cheeses I ordered, I didn't get, they was out of, and that goes for that recipe, so I'll have to pick that up from another store, of course. But that's everything. That is everything that I picked up from the Walmart this week, guys. So I'll be able to restock my shelf in there a little bit. I said when I started doing that shelf that I was going to buy every week and not just keep eating off of it and not buying, but of course that's what I'm doing. So then I have to restock it because I've been eating off of it and not buying groceries the last 3 weeks. My husband was like, I think it's about time you go to the grocery store because we're getting down pretty low on things, you know, that we grab, you know, pretty often. I wanted to show you, I just got through putting up all my refrigerator and freezer stuff. This is what I got left to go in there on my shelf. It's all canned goods and stuff like that, condiments. So I wanted to show you how I do it so I don't have to just individually walk all this stuff in there. which can be a job. I use this for eBay. My husband bought me this when I first started eBay. I keep boxes down there, and I lay my stuff that I'm listing on top of here. It just gives me a little extra room, and I can move it around. Well, anyway, it works good to transport these groceries into the room. So I just load everything up on it, push it in there, and then put it on my shelf. So that's what I'm going to do now. Okay. Another thing I didn't show you putting up there is the chicken broth. I actually need a beef broth instead of chicken broth. I had plenty of chicken broth. I need a beef broth, but I just ordered the wrong one. So I'll have to pick me up some beef broth. And maybe a couple more boxes of bowl in the bag rice. And everything else up there is pretty good. I got all my canned goods put up. All my groceries. It's full again. But anyway, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this grocery haul. If you did, y'all give me a big thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And if you do subscribe, hit that notification bell. That way you can be notified when I upload other videos. I do all kind of videos. I've started doing a little bit of vlogs. And grocery hauls. I'm going to start doing a little bit of mobile home stuff. You know, I'm going to show some crafts. Different things like that. So sometimes I do reviews on things I pick up. So check out my channel. There's bound to be something here that you could enjoy watching. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next one. God bless. Bye.